Every asset in Maintenance Assistant has the ability to be logged online or offline by clicking this button on the asset page. So this allows you to set a different status for the asset, as well as track any loss of production hours. So it's pretty straightforward. I can either click on this button here to log it online or offline, or I can set it from the little asset window here. Both do the same thing. So when I click set offline, it'll ask me for a status. And these are predefined statuses that I'll show you how to edit in a minute. But basically you select one of the offline statuses, and then when you log it back online, you'd select one of the online statuses. So for now, I can set it to under repair by which user. The default is yourself. So I can say Cameron is logging this to repair, fill in any event info or any additional info. And if you want, you can also attach an asset event. So in this case, I can tie it to a power outage. Okay, so I can log this back online, again, either from the asset, or if I have a work order for the CNC machine, I can do the same thing from inside the work order, where I click here to set it back online. Okay, so the online window pops up, which is basically the same thing. You choose a status to set it online to. So there are two here, in production and standby. And you can also track any loss of production hours. As well as when you log it back online, you can also change the location. So for instance, if you logged it offline to relocate it, when you log it back online, you can change where the asset is located. Now, this information is retrievable in two places. The first is if I go to the asset page and the log, at the very bottom of the log, you'll see a history of online or offline activities. So I can see that Cameron logged it offline from this time to this time, and with this loss of production hours. There's also a few different reports I can run. So the one I have here is called Offline Assets, and it's just a simple list of all the assets in my system that are currently offline and what status they've been set to. Okay, so it pops up, I've got 5 of them here and the various statuses, as well as the dates they were logged offline. Okay, the last thing I'll show you is to add a reason to set an asset offline or a reason to log it back online. Basically the different statuses that are logged online or offline too. I had lookup tables and scroll down to here. So I can log the asset back online to be in production or on standby, or I can log it offline to broken, in storage, idle, or retyped.